She is Leticia, training manager of the company. I am Cayetano Gutierrez, the CEO of the company, and the owner of the Skin Clinic brand. I want to introduce you today in this video our restoring line cream. We are very specialized, very well specialized in restoring cream after treatment, after esthetician, after doctor in clinic treatment, after laser, after peeling. During long time, I studied a lot of active ingredient, the best excipient, the more soft excipient for this treatment is very important, very good active ingredient, and with the best excipient, we need to mix this active ingredient with excipient for damaged skin after treatment.
Hi everyone, and thank you very much for joining us in this video. We are going to review all our Dermal Recovery range products, and as Mr. Cayetano has said, we have always the philosophy of a skin clinic. As you already know, we always develop products with high amount of active ingredients and with a quite wide variety of different ingredients as well. So this is the best example of that kind of development of products, of cosmetic products. I would like to start all this review with this new rose oil that is very good for treatment of scars or any kind of injury that we might have had on the skin, on the surface. That's very good. Also, some people, they use it as a serum because they might have as well quite of scars or burns, so that's very good for that.
The structure, the gel structure of this cosmetic is when we apply, the layer is sticky.
Yes.
Then, because the gel is sticky, it's better than when we apply only oil without gel structure. It's very good for
burns or scars. It's very good every time we have got that kind of problem on the surface of our skin.
It's not very oily sensation. It's dry.
Yes. That's the reason why many people, they use it as well as a serum at night, before your regular night as well.
A lot of women apply before the cream at night, like a mask, for very dry skin is very good.
It stimulates the collagen and the elastin, so they promote they enhance new skin. Next one is aloe vera gel, 200%. Is aloe vera in a high quantity, is in a quite high concentration. It's very good after waxing, after any treatment that we have had in the premises, where you need to get a calm effect and at the same time you would like something fresh. For instance, it's quite used after waxing or laser. Even men, they use it as an aftershave, and many other treatments like PRP or lasers.
I recommend to keep in the fridge before the application.
Yes, so it's very good every time we want to feel fresh, because the treatment that we have received is we haven't got not much irritation on the skin, but we need something to calm down the skin and something fresh, and the gel that provides you that effect as well. The next one is the hydrogel, the skincare hydrogel. That's very usual and it's very common to use it after PRP, that kind of treatments, serums, and also when you have got an oily skin, because we will see later on how we can renew the skin, especially in dry skins, with restoring cream and gel glucose. But hydrogel, as contains arnica and as it contains the texture is a gel, is quite suitable for oily skins. Then we have the facial cream mask. This is one of our best-seller products because contains a lot of active ingredients, all natural active ingredients such as aloe vera.
Phenoxide.
Yes.
Chamomile.
Yeah, chamomile. Oxide, zinc oxide is usually very usual in creams for babies, for nappy rash in babies. That's very good because it dries the skin. So that's the reason why we introduce it here.
We apply like a mask.
The zinc oxide, what it does, dries all that irritation and avoids future inflammations. And also contains one excipient that gives you the chance to make a massage. So every time we apply it, we can either apply it as a face mask, we leave it for 20 or 30 minutes, or if you would like to provide a massage, you can do it nicely because the excipient leaves you the enough vehicle to do it.
I want to introduce another product, very effective, with very special excipient, very well tested by our client.
The products that we have seen up to now are very good to use it in the premises when you have just a soreness or a soft inflammation, or you haven't irritated too much the skin because maybe the protocol that you have followed in the cabin, that you haven't irritated or inflamed too much the skin. So now the next product is like a high level when you have provided a strong peeling or a strong laser, a strong laser, or maybe a strong PRP or microneedle treatment, quite strong, and you have to recover much more that skin because you have damaged it quite a lot. We could start with the restoring cream if you want.
Restoring cream?
Yes.
This cream is very important. I spoke about the excipient. The excipient is a sugar derivative, and we are not going to have never itches or irritation by the excipient. The active ingredient is calendula, chamomile, almond oil.
Almond oil, aloe vera, I think contains as well.
Yes, a lot of different active ingredients. We can apply whatever you want, whatever you need after treatment. We can apply like a cream, or we can apply like a mask. We can mix with yellow coat.
Yes.
Okay, and we can apply like a mask in a sticky layer every day, twice, 3 times.
Yes. I think these two creams are widely used by all the professionals every time they want to restore the skin. And also it's like what we call an SOS face mask, because every time you have something in the cabin, maybe you have had an answer from the skin unexpected, or maybe you have provided a peeling procedure and you have had a problem with the skin, and you require to recover quickly and faster than another times the skin, that's probably the best face mask that you can apply on to make sure you recover that burn or that irritation that you have done on the skin. What we have to do is we mix in one bowl exactly the same amount that restoring cream and glucose. All you have to do is just mix it.
The high concentration of hyaluronic acid in glucose is like
microspheres.
Yeah, microspheres. And these microspheres take water from the cream, and we mix, and we produce.
That's why we always highly recommend to use glucose mixed with something, never on its own. You can apply it as much as you need. That means if you have to apply on 3 times a day, you can do it 5 times a day. The time that the skin requires to get recovered.
Okay. If we want to enhance the activity of this product.
If we need to enhance, or because we need something else, we would like to give a plus to the mixture.
We're going to add 2 droppers.
2 droppers, yes.
If the skin is very damaged, we are going to apply at the beginning only ferrulas on the skin.
Yes.
We are going to wait for 5-10 minutes and we are going to apply.
Yes. We have the two options. We can do it, mix it in the bowl, or if it's extremely damaged, what we can do is apply ferulas first on the skin, and then as soon as it's absorbed everything, so we can apply the face mask.
I made the development of ferulas for the CO2 laser.
Yes.
When you apply a CO2 laser, you can apply
After laser, microneedler, any therapy.
This is wonderful for after laser.
Yes, any technology that we have applied in the premises, or any other technique that we think, or even a very strong peeling, like for instance like Melanie Clay or Melanie Clay cake. That's the regular face cream that we have to do. I would like to introduce now one of products that we have developed this year, and it's called the de-stress face mask.
Some doctor asked me, please, we need a mask cream we want to apply to patient, and they want to feel fresh and a very strong calm effect.
They want to combine the calming effect from any restoring cream plus that fresh effect, because with Yalucose and restoring cream you don't get that fresh effect. You get it with
this cream is different. It's not like restoring cream. I studied the same excipient with different active ingredient, with another ectoin, hyaluronic acid with a very low molecular weight. This hyaluronic acid, 5,000 Dalton. Can go down
deeper into the layers of the skin. Yeah.
We are going to produce collagen.
Yes.
Moisturizing
the skin.
Better. This is a wonderful product after peeling, after laser, and after microneedles.
Yes.
My clients are very happy because they say after microneedle we didn't have anything to apply for this treatment, and we are applying this product and we are very happy.
And sometimes they mix it in the same proportion with Yalucose, and they apply it after. Also, yes, you can mix it and you get great results. Also, something that I always like to highlight from the de-stress mask is the fact, not only what you were saying, that we have used it for the first time, one hyaluronic acid with a very low molecular weight, is the fact that we have added another active ingredient. It's called ectoin. That is also in formula of the Maticil. That is one of our new products as well. And because that is going to emphasize all the processes of anti-inflammatory processes and the hydration processes as well, and it's going to protect us against the blue lights as well. And also the fact that we have used green tea as well, because it's going to enhance as well all that dermal recovery processes. It's going to give us hydration as well and anti-inflammatory processes. Okay, so this is all more or less about our recovery range. I hope you like it, and if you require further information or you would like something, any query, so you can give us an email, you can send us an email, or you can contact us through our export department and
or distributor.
Exactly. And thank you very much.